Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve a very short answer type question based on indices, and these types of question is very important for any kinds of competitive examination. Let's start. First question. The index form of P or root of Q is. So this one we know nth root of x, it means x to the power 1 by n. So our answer is q to the power 1 by p. Okay. Second question, x to the power m plus n divide x to the power n. This one we know x to the power m plus n. Look, here base are same. In division the power will be subtract, so minus n, plus n minus n out. Our answer is x to the power m. Here is xy to the power n, so x to the power n times it should be y to the power n, right? Number 4, what is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power 1 by n? So first we have to know about what is multiplicative. This is, suppose a number, once we multiply the result should be 1. So once we multiply a to the power 1 by n times a to the power minus 1 by n, the result should be 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power 1 by n? The answer should be a to the power minus 1 by n. Okay. Number 5, x to the power n, n is what and x is what? So x to the power n, here x is base and n is what? N is exponent, right? So we can say n is exponent and x is base, right? It's looking base to the power exponent, right? Number 6, x to the power m to the power n equals to x to the power n to the power m is a right thing. So the equation is true. Yes. Number 7, let a be a real number, n elements of capital N, x equals to cubic root of 5. In this representation, radicand is. So what is a radicand? Look, here is 3 and a root 5. It means cubic root of 5. So radicand should be inside a root. It's a radicand. Okay, and this one is index. So in this case radicand is 5 and index is what? 3. Okay, look, x to the power n is the what? Nth root of x, right? If m equals to n, then x to the power m divide x to the power n, it should be 1. If we consider m equals to n, so x to the power m, and here is x to the power n, we can write x to the power m, so it will be 1. Number 10, and this is last question of this short question part. Here is a to the power p by q equals to q root of k. So then k equals to what? This one we have to do something like here is a to the power p by q equals to q root of k. This one we can write a to the power p to the power 1 by q, and this one we can write k to the power 1 by k. Now look, in equation once power are same, that time base will be equal, therefore we can write a to the power p equals to k, right? In this case it's a k, so k equals to a to the power p, and this is our answer. So these types of short question we have to do at least 15 seconds. You will not get enough time to do practice in a right side, so you have to calculate in your mind, therefore you need more and more practice at home. So I try to suggest you, I try to opinion, please make practice at home and concentrate the question. If you learn question, or you can, if you understand question, your answer will be solved easily. So no more today, we are trying to solve this 10 math, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination like IGCSE, O level, CBSE, SSC or grade 8 to 10, right? So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.